Herbalife Nutrition Formula One meal replacement shakes were designed to help you manage your weight. Hi, my name's John Aguinobi. I'm a pediatrician by training, but I have the privilege of serving as the Chief Health and Nutrition Officer at Herbalife Nutrition. Formula One is the #1 meal replacement shake in the world, first and foremost because it's delicious, but also because it's good for you. Each shake contains 21 vitamins and minerals. Herbalife Nutrition Formula One meal replacement shakes contain all of the nutrients that you would have gotten from an absolutely beautiful, well-balanced meal. The protein, the carbohydrates, the fats, the vitamins, all selected to support weight management in a healthy way. They have nutrient density, a concept that many people don't quite understand. For every calorie that you receive in one of those shakes, you're loaded up with healthy nutrition. In Formula One, we use soy protein isolate. It's a great source of high quality protein. We build our products in a way that allows you to customize the product to your unique need.